You kept the headline super short, which is fantastic. If you consider the number 4 as a word, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 words. Beautiful. It wasn't a whole paragraph. It was very quick and easy to read. You emphasized easy. All of those power words are fantastic. Easy, secret, mind-blowing, like anything that has those words, we are attracted to them. We want to know easy. We want to know time saving. We want to know the secrets. We want to know mistakes. Mistakes is another word. Using stop, using mistakes, using the word myth in your content is always going to get more attention. It's not good to be negative all the time. So like I wouldn't have stop doing this, stop doing these mistakes, like as every post, because that becomes off as, that can make you come off as a very negative person. But putting one of these out there every once in a while, people are more apt to avoid making a mistake than they are fixing a problem. So even with 5 easy steps, yes, that's going to do well because you made it very simple. Even your caption, you kept it very simple. You did not put a lot of fluff in here. You stayed to the point. You didn't make them read a whole lot. You didn't make them work for the information. You laid it out for them, which is great. Now I would do the same thing. Stop doing this if you want to get more done. Or mistakes you're making to lose productivity. Flip this post, complete opposite of what it is, where you said set clear goals. Stop not setting clear goals, but word that better.
Right.
Do the opposite, and I guarantee you that post is going to do even better than this one. Keep it simple like this one, but just do the negative flip on it.